Yes, Pita, now in this video we will discuss short answer type questions of the same worksheet of the chapter lines and angles. In the very first question, you have given line AB is parallel to line CD and angle DCE is 75 degree, angle ABD is 165 degree. You have to find the angle BOC. Now AB is parallel to CD, that means the whole line AF will parallel to CD. If CD is parallel to EF, then angle 1 and angle 75 makes a co-interior angles. The sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. On solving, we get angle 1 is equal to 105 degree. Now angle 1 is always equal to angle BEO because these two angles are vertical opposite angles. It means angle BEO also is equal to 105 degree. Now take the lower triangle BOE, this lower triangle. As we know, sum of three angles of triangle is 180. So take these three angles. We have taken these three angles. The sum is equal to 180 degree. It means angle EOB कितना जाएगा आपके पास 60 degree. Now in the second question, you have to find the line segment which is formed by joining the collinear points. As we know, collinear points are those are always on one straight lines. So we have taken three collinear points P, Q, R, and by joining these 3 points we got a full line segment. So we have got 3 line segments from these 3 collinear points. One is PQ, other is QR, and third one is PR. In the third question, you have to find the complement of 36 degree. As we know, sum of complementary angles are always 90 degree. Now, if we have to find the complement of any angle, we always subtract that angle from 90 degree. It means complement of 36 will be 90 minus 36, that is 54 degree. In the fourth question, you have to find the measure of an angle which is 26 degree more than its complement. आपको एक ऐसा एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है जो अपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट से 26 डिग्री क्या हो, ज़्यादा हो. If we suppose that angle is x, then its complement will be 90 minus x. Then according to question, this angle is 26 degree more than its complement. It means x is equal to 90 minus x plus 26. On solving this equation, we get x is equal to 58 degree. Now in question number 5, we have asked about कैन अ ट्राइंगल हैव टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. क्या एक ट्राइंगल के दो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल हो सकते हैं? अगर हाँ तो भी रीज़न देना है, अगर नहीं तो भी रीज़न देना है. बट वी नो अ ट्राइंगल कैन नॉट हैव टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, सो द आंसर इज नो. वाई द ट्राइंगल कैन नॉट हैव टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल? बिकॉज बेटा इफ़ वी टेक टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स, लाइक वी हैव टेकन टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, दो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ले लेते हैं हम, सपोज 91 डिग्री एंड 92 डिग्री. जब इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे देन व्हाट विल वी गेट? इट्स सम इज़ 183 डिग्री. ये क्या हो गया? 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा हो गया. बट ये तो क्या होगी? गलत हो गया. बिकॉज एज वी नो सम ऑफ 3 एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. तो दो एंगल्स का सम तो कभी भी 180 से ज़्यादा हो ही नहीं सकता. तो द आंसर इज़ नो.